Breakfast is one of my favorite meals of the day. Today, I'm going to try something a little different. I'm going to make an egg omelet using pasture-raised eggs, frozen avocados. I'm going to add something different today. We're going to include spinach, and I got the frozen spinach so it's easier to store. And instead of using butter or the dangerous seed oils, we're going to use coconut oil. So what I'm going to do now is just take my eggs. And as always, I prefer to buy pasture-raised eggs where the chickens that lay the eggs are free to eat whatever they want. They run around eating grass and bugs and whatever grub is out there. They're not being force-fed corn and grains that are foods that they cannot digest. And it's a well-known secret out there in the farm industry that grains are used to actually make the chickens fat. Next, we have to oil the pan, but you really should not use any butter from American cows. A better option that I prefer when I make my eggs is to use coconut oil. They have coconut oil that's in liquid form. Some people may take the coconut oil like this and maybe put it in the microwave first to melt it. But what I'm going to do is I'll just take a spoon, or sometimes I'll take a knife, and I'll just take a little bit of the coconut oil and I'll put it in the pan, which I already turned on, so it should melt pretty quickly. And then I'll just rub it on the pan. But you need to have some kind of oil. Definitely don't use vegetable oil or corn oil, because those oils are not oils that are easy to digest. They will cause indigestion for those of you who are very sensitive, like with IBS issues and all that. But also anybody who's suffering from any inflammation. Just choosing coconut oil or the Southern European butter from Southern European cows, it may be enough to reverse any inflammation that you're experiencing now. It's just amazing how a simple change can save your life. And I know that my life has been saved by going lectin-free. What I do is I like to add avocados to my eggs. So I'm going to take these frozen avocados and open it up. This you could buy pretty much at any supermarket. They're not really too expensive. And what's great is I just put the avocados in the freezer and they're fresh every time. Now I'm going to pour my eggs onto the avocados. And boy, does that look great. I can't wait to have this chopped spinach that I bought at Whole Foods, and it's frozen. Again, it's convenient because it's fresh every time. Keeping it in the freezer, it's just easier to store. So I'm just going to take some of this spinach and I'll put it onto my egg omelet. And boy, does that look delicious. Our eggs are finally done. So let's pour it onto our plate. So let's see how this is. I'm gonna dig in. It's really delicious. Have a great day, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and of course, visit our website at lectinbusters.com, where we are planning on in 2024 to have many events, including dinner events, where we will teach you how to make meals just like this that are safe to eat. And remember, the lectin-free lifestyle is a lifestyle that will save your life just like it saved mine.